What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to cover the subject of what to do if you've been disapproved by one or more affiliate networks. I see this question a lot. I get asked this question personally many times, and very often when I dig into the issue I see that most of the time the issue is actually on the affiliate marketers and whether they know it or not, and in rare cases the issue is with the affiliate network in question or networks. So the first thing to understand is that very often what I see is that many affiliate marketers put the cart before the horse when it comes to signing up to affiliate networks. Now what I mean by that is typically what a lot of affiliate marketers, especially beginners, do is they'll create a website, they'll put up a little bit of content, and then they'll just start signing up to affiliate networks left and right. And the problem with that is when you set up your website, you're basically setting up just basic things like basic posts, pages on your website. And yes, it's a functional website, but here's the problem. It's not getting any traffic. And if it's not getting any traffic, there's literally no point in you rushing to go sign up to affiliate networks, because a lot of affiliate networks, especially the high-end ones, won't give you a second look if they know that your website is not getting any traffic. In fact, they'll even ask you for a traffic report. How much traffic are you getting to your website? If it's like 0 to 50 visitors a month, like why would they want to bother with that? You got to look at it in terms of like a potential employee kind of relationship where they kind of look at you and they go, well, this person's not getting anything to their website. Why should we take the time to give them all their tools, maybe even do an interview with them and all that kind of stuff? People, affiliate marketers in this case, rush too quickly to sign up to affiliate networks, and very often that rushing without their website being developed, or for that matter, let's say a social media page that has no followers, that has no subscribers, that doesn't have a lot of views, they just aren't tangible assets yet to be approved or be eligible to be approved for an affiliate network. So if you're in a situation where you just started building a website and you're really anxious to get started with affiliate marketing, you got to understand that until your website is built up with traffic, or until your social media page is built up with followers and a lot of views and you become an influencer, if you will, there's really no point in you rushing to sign up to affiliate networks because you're going to get disapproved. This is one of the most common things that I see happening with affiliate marketers that get disapproved. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, yes, sometimes affiliate networks can be incompetent. Sometimes they'll disapprove you for ridiculous reasons and not give you a reason as to why they did it. It'll be some kind of auto-generated answer. If that's the situation, then you're just going to want to maybe reapply in the future, or perhaps speak to someone that is a representative in the affiliate network and let them know. I've had situations where I got disapproved and it was some kind of auto-generated bot response, and then I somehow got through to the contact us page, spoke to the representative, emailed that is, with the representative of the affiliate network, and then manually got approved to be an affiliate marketer for that network. So that's another thing to consider, and that is considering that your site is actually, you know, a site that's getting traffic, or your social media page is something that is tangible, that has followers, that has people following it, that kind of stuff. So that's the next thing to understand. The third thing is that it's just common that affiliate networks are going to disapprove you, even if you're more than eligible to be approved by them. Sometimes you may feel that you're well qualified for that, but they'll still disapprove you. Maybe it'll be due to their incompetence, not yours. In that situation, you got to dust yourself off and just go find another affiliate network. And the good news is there's plenty of them out there. So yes, sometimes we want to sign up with that one affiliate network that's going to get us all those sales, or at least we think they will. But the truth is, you're going to want to diversify with your affiliate networks. I'm currently signed up with at least 5 that I can think of the top of my head. And it's not because one is better than the other, it's just because it's also kind of like a plan B. I think I'm signed up with at least 3 different travel affiliate networks, and I mainly use 2 of them. I actually backed away from one of them because it was just too complicated to work with. But this is where you'll find yourself in the latter stages of your affiliate business, very often in fact. And the last thing I want to mention is that you shouldn't just depend on affiliate marketing, because these things happen. When you're tied to an affiliate network, yes, there's a lot of potential benefits to it, but you're also tied to the affiliate network. So what happens if they disapprove your account? What if the commission rate is low? What if you want other options presented to you, but you just can't find them with the affiliate network? Well, in that case, you're going to want to go for a plan B and a plan C, metaphorically speaking. But as an example, plan B could be something like this website here, where instead of doing affiliate marketing, I actually have ads that run on the website, and they pay me for every visitor that comes to the actual page, not just affiliate marketing. Yes, I do affiliate marketing here, but I have a plan B, because if that affiliate network or affiliate networks that I'm signed up with don't work out, I still have these ads that are running, and vice versa, by the way. If the ad stuff that I'm doing here, where they place ads on my site and I get paid for every visitor, doesn't work out, I can still lean back on affiliate marketing. Or perhaps you may want to consider promoting your own product or service. That's another thing that you may want to potentially look into, so you have different portfolios, or rather different ways of earning. Another thing that I personally do is I actually monetize on my Facebook page, and I'm starting to work on monetizing on my YouTube page. I'm diversifying my business portfolio so I don't just rely on affiliate marketing. So that's something that is worth considering, but more towards the latter stages of your online business. In the very beginning, you're going to want to take the time and effort and build up your social media page, your website, whatever it is that you're trying to sign up through in the affiliate network that you're trying to sign up with, so they know that you are worth taking the time and effort to be involved with. Eventually, you may even get to a point like I did with this website, where I actually have affiliate networks coming at me left and right and saying, please sign up with us. We'd love to have you on board. They give me the opportunity to talk to one of their representatives. They give me higher commission rates because they see that I have a good asset, a good website here that gets 100,000 plus visitors and growing. So to them, that's like, this is a person that we want to work with. That's eventually something you're going to want to reach, but it requires that you put in the initial work and don't put the cart before the horse, as I said earlier in this video. So that's what I wanted to mention in this particular vlog. If you have any questions about this, let me know. But as usual, I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.